Hello there, everybody. How are you doing today? I hope you're well. Are you ready to get strong? Are you ready to build muscle? Well, watch this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a squat. How to do a squat. Really? It's easy. It's easy.
Hey! Come on, man! That's too easy!
It's easy. But when you squat, you have to do it with good form. Good form. Not bad form, with good form. Whenever you exercise, you always, you want to have good form. Okay? So I'll show you good form. Let's go. First, we're standing. This is sitting. I'm sitting. Now, I'm standing. So we're standing. Let's place our feet shoulder width apart. Shoulder width apart. So not wide, not too wide, not too narrow, but shoulder width apart. Okay? Next, we're going to bend our knees. We're going to bend our knees and squat. This is a bend. I'm bending my knees. Now, I'm bending my elbow. In a squat, we bend our knees and we want to go low. So don't go here. That's not a squat. You have to go low. Lower. Now, this is a good squat. When you bend your knees, when you bend to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. That's a good bend. You can go lower than 90 degrees, but at least go 90 degrees. You can go lower, but at least go 90. That's a good squat. Lastly, make sure that you breathe. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. You have to breathe. When you go down, you inhale. When you come up, you exhale. When you go down, you inhale. When you come up, you exhale. Let's do 5 squats. 1, 2, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. I'm bending my knees. I'm going low 90 degrees or lower, and then come up. That's a good squat. Do you like squats? How much weight? How much weight can you squat? Leave a comment down below. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned some new vocabulary, and I'll see you in the next video where we talk about planks. We talk about core work. I'll see you then. Goodbye.